Attention all hands.
All right,
we go.
Attention all hands.
Mount 56. All hands topside on hearing protection. All hands stand clear of firing mounts.
There you go.
56. Prepare to fire.
Are you on the radio?
I'm on the radio right now, yes. Trying to get out of everybody's way. They're trying to get pictures. Here we go. I think this is going to happen any second now. Here we go. We're waiting. We are waiting. But it's worth the wait, I promise you. The last time they fired these, I was inside the battery doing the firing.
Battery released.
They've just released the battery. That's one. Here comes the next one. That's quite stunning, wasn't it?
Wow.
That, by the way, I can tell you, is 1.5 pounds of powder. There's the second one. That's 1.5 pounds of powder on each one of those. I'm making my way back to you guys now because that's they're only firing two.